Hey, thanks for tuning in to us today. This is WW Customs, and we're going to be looking at a couple of Rancheros. We've got a 72 and a 73, both with 302s automatic. And I think these are considered the 6th generation, where they changed the front end here and they made the grille like a jet intake. This one, of course, is missing the grille. These are reminiscent of the Torinos, I believe, and we just sold 2 Torinos. We've got a couple of those left, but sorry about that. We've got this one here. It's a 302 automatic. It's got some chrome on it, but of course it is missing some of the chrome, and some of the chrome is mangled. So this is the worst one we've got compared to the 2. The other one's in a little better shape. This one we haven't got cleaned out yet. We still got a lot of the stuff in it from the previous owner, you'd say. It's just 3 of us here, so we have a hard time getting everything cleaned and posted up. This window right here looks like it's broken. The Rancheros is always nice. I liked those back when I was growing up. I think my dad had one. Got a lot of Ford products around here. We've got some new stuff coming in today. The bed back here, it's got a lot of damage. Some ants are growing back here. Got some damage back here on the driver's side quarter. I don't think we have any extra parts for this. So we're missing the tailgate, we're missing the bumper. It's a nice day here in Georgia today. More cats are down there. It's March, it's 72 degrees. So we're enjoying it. We're in northeast Georgia. Y'all come out and see us if you get a chance. We've got a lot of projects available for a lot of people to look at and a lot to accomplish. If you're interested in anything, we probably have it. This is mangled right here a little bit. This is the 1972 2500 302 automatic. We'll go up here and look at this other one. This is 73. We'll look at it. We'll walk up here. If you see anything as we're walking up and you're interested in, you can let me know. We've got a lot of rails, a lot of different cars available. We've got trailers. We'll wind our way up through here and look at this other Ranchero. Like I said, it's in a little better shape. Got a lot of parts available too. Got a lot of these old Jeep Willises. That's a nice coupe right there. I think we've got some front end on that to make it look like a 40s Ford. I think it's a 46, but we've got some parts on it that we can put on it to resemble a 40 Ford. I think 4940. Almost there. Here we go. This is the 1973 302 automatic. This one wouldn't take much to get it started and running, I don't believe. It's in better shape. This one's got that iconic grille in it. A lot of different cars, Chevrolet, Oldsmobile, Model A, Model T's. Check us out on YouTube. Check out our website. We try to post things we get in for sale. Here's the inside. We've cleaned this one out. I think this one's got like 12,000 miles on it. This is the door panel for this passenger side. That glass is gone. Somebody tried to do some repair right there, man. Got shingles in the back. I don't know what that bed looks like yet. This one does have the tailgate and the bumper. Got a handmade gas cap there. Some nice bells on it. It's got a dent right here. Inside here. Those miles. If you have any questions, if you see anything you want to ask me about, just let me know. Got a VIN plate right here. We can help you out. We've got a lot of projects available. Summertime's coming on. Get ready to get that garage cleaned out and put these in it and get you a new project going on. Visit us on YouTube. Check out our website, www.customs.com. Give us a call, 706-282-7194. Come see us, Toccoa, Georgia.